getting really close now. Come on, grab it. Yes. Oh. Come on, grab it, grab it, grab it. Let's try. Hope we can get it. Please let me get it. Come on, last try. Last try. Last try, it clamped. Come on, last try. Oh my god, yes! Oh my gosh, I almost got it last try. Oh no. Yes, got Clifford. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. What's up, guys? We're at Walmart today. I'm gonna go try for this July Betty boot. Sit back a tad. Ooh, maybe. Come on, grab. Yes, got her first try. Oh, that was so close. Let's hope I can still get her. I think I can. Let's try for that box. Oh, that sucks. Ooh. Oh, I think I can win her if I hook it in the box. Let's try one more dollar. This box, see if I can. There we go. Oh, so close.
I never aimed for those. It was like a 9 out of 5 chance.
Yeah, I know.
This one is more possible.
Yeah.
Well, surprisingly better. This number plus 20K.
Yeah. Let's see.
Trying to hook it in the box.
Yeah. There we go. If it grabs. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. Spin the claws a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, say, come on, last try. Yes! July Betty, nice. Hook the box. I wasn't even trying for the box. I'm gonna try one more, see if I can get this Despicable Me. He's kind of smushed though, so I don't know if I can get down there and grab him. That was really hard. Ooh. Oh no. Seems pretty wedged. It's just gotta spin perfectly. Come on. Oh, unless it grabs. Ooh. He might be gettable. I'll come back to him though. Alright guys, we're at the other side. Oh sweet, I just got it for a quarter. I have an August Betty boot, super gettable right here. Let's see if I can win her. They look pretty gettable. Oh, that should have her, come on. Yes, it's been a long time since I won from this. Oh my gosh, 3-in-1. 3-in-1 for 50 cents. Crazy. 3-in-1. Wow, that was amazing. see, it's not gonna do anything. Alright, whatever. I got 3 in 1 on my first try. Oh, it's crazy. I can get this out. There we go. Alright, nice. Let's move on to this one. Nothing that gettable in here actually, so I think I'm just gonna skip it. Nothing in here either. Alright. I'll try $1 on this one. Actually, I'll try 50 cents. Okay. See if I can win this little bear right here. Oh yes! Oh, almost got it. Let's try for this little crayon right here. Oh, I don't know. It's kind of, yeah. Alright, this is it for this side. I got one pretty good prize. I think I'm just gonna leave these here for someone to take, so probably just leave them in here actually. Alright, sweet, got August Buddy. Nice. Just spooked by me before his feet. Maybe flip him in. Ooh, clamped, come on. Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. I think I can get him. Oh my god. So close. Okay. Oh, come on. Yes, get in there. I think that's got it. I don't even want to flip it over though. Oh, come on. That's got it. Get it in there. Oh my god. Don't. Oh. This dude's taking me way too long to win. Come on. I should have him. Yes, finally. Nice. Got the purple Minion. I've never won one of these. Looks pretty sick too. Purple Minion. Nice.